Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's 3:23:20 Monday morning. I just wanted to get this video out to you on YouTube so you can have an understanding of what we're going to be tackling today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, which is the Ottoman Empire. The Ottoman Empire had a very long-standing empire. They began in the 1300s and went all the way up until World War I, so to the 20th century. So it lasted 7 centuries, which is a very long time for an empire to last. As we know, Rome lasted about 1,000 years, and we look at Rome as the gold standard of empires, and the Ottomans were not too far behind them. So the one thing about the Ottomans is they were a mostly Islamic empire in that, they conquered using Islam. They were mostly Islamic in terms of, people practicing religion within their borders. But at the same time, they were pretty tolerant of other religions as long as you didn't, mess with them. So we're going to look at them today. And the area that they... so today, what we're basically going to be talking about is their geography. Like, where was the Ottoman Empire and how connected was it to other regions? So the first thing we're going to do is our first page here, which is our right now for day one, is we're going to look at a map. We're going to label the continents, regions, and bodies of water that we see on the map. You can either write them on the map or just, draw little lines from the outside of the margins to where you're talking about. So obviously, I'd like you guys to try to do this on your own. We've talked enough about geography in this class to understand what we're looking at when we look at this map, even if it's not labeled. So what I'd like you to do is try to do it by yourself at first, and whatever you can't come up with on your own, then, go to Google and do what you got to do. But I would really prefer if you try to get to this part yourself. All right, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to label this map of the various continents, regions, and bodies of water that you see there. Okay, then on the next page is a map of, the Ottoman Empire and its gains in the span of a couple hundred years. So you're going to be looking at that map. Okay, and you're going to use that map to answer the questions that you see here. Now, this is relative location. So we know that a lot of students in the past have had difficulty with relative location. So I'm going to ask you if you, if you are someone who's had no problem with it, you'll probably breeze through this part. If not, I'm going to post a video that we've watched before that explains relative location a little bit more. And, we've gone over this in class several times already, but I'm still going to post a video. I'll post that in Remind for you guys to take a look at if you have trouble with the relative location. So you're going to answer these guiding questions that go with this map. And then you're going to take a look again at the maps, the course of the Ottoman Empire as it grew through the years, and then answer the two guiding questions right there, prediction questions. Then your exit slip is a two-parter. You are going to use the map, write one sentence to describe the relative location of the Ottoman Empire using the cardinal direction. So you're just going to write one sentence telling me where the Ottoman Empire was in relation or relative to any other landmark or place or, region, sea, continent, whatever you want to say, city, country. You can tell me and just write one sentence doing that. Then finally, you're going to describe how the Ottoman Empire's territory changed between 1300 and 1566. Okay? If you have any questions about any of this, I am available from 10 to 1:30 and beyond. But those are my solid office hours while we're, not in the building. So, again, if you guys have any issues, please hit me up. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great day.